There you go. Got her started. Sorry, my neighbor's doing some backhoe work over there. All right, good morning. It is the next morning. So, time to drop off the truck at the shop. Let's go. Oh, hi, Greta. Hey, Greta. Greta, say hi to the camera. No way! Alright, so we made it to 3C Body Shops, dropping the truck off. There's Greg right there, he's gonna help me, he's helping out that customer at the moment. We're gonna drop the truck off and pick up the... Alright, and just like that, I am back here at the campsite. Remember, this weekend, the Great Campout 2018 is happening. It is going to be fantastic, and my graduation party, which is gonna be fantastic. So the tent is going to go right there. So, all right, anyways, truck is now in the shop. It won't be done for a couple weeks, but the loaner car, you guys will be sad. It's this. Well, I mean, I don't hate it. It's a good car. It's not a pickup, though. You know, I'm a truck guy, so I will tell you this right now, first impressions, I love this car. It's a Ford, and it's fantastic, but will I make it my daily driver? No. I'm a truck guy. I need to have a truck. Looks like they're burning a house down in there. Anyways, it's raining right now, so excuse. You know, I'm filming with my iPhone 10, so the rain will be fine. Anyway, so this is a 2017 Ford Taurus, or however you say it. This is the rental car that I am renting. Black car, hard to keep clean. Can't wait to see what this thing looks like after it dries. It's gonna look ugly as hell. So it's a limited package. I don't know if that's high or equipped or anything. I don't know. It has a backup camera. You should see how much room is in this damn trunk. I mean, seriously. You could sleep back here if you wanted to. Anyway, so it's, sorry if it's windy. It's pouring down rain right now. They're burning a house down over there. All the smoke's getting into my house. All right, so excuse the wind noise. So this is the outside look of the car. Quick walk around. It's a very, very, very nice car. If I ever get a wife or a girlfriend, this would be her car. I'll be having the Ford Raptor. Okay, so to get inside, so this is a newer technology. This is the key. All you really got to have your key. Oh yeah, and it looks like it has remote start. So that's kind of cool. All right, so put the key in your pocket. That's all you got to do. Right now the car is fully locked. So all I got to do is this. That's it, and it unlocks. All right, I want to quickly get inside here because it is pouring down rain. All right, so here's a quick overview inside. I might as well start it. Kind of cool. Okay, so right now we got 88.3 on my station. I'm gonna climb it off right now. So here's what the front gauge cluster looks like. Got 380 miles till empty, full tank. I've driven to Westerville already, went to work and back, and it's fine. It's still at a full tank. So no engine RPM. It's kind of interesting. So you got the gauge cluster there, the radio here and here, which is kind of interesting. So this is a full-on Sync 3, it looks like, ish. I don't think it has navigation or anything. I tried using it on the way here. That don't work. So this is the touchscreen, climate, phone. I don't have a phone. Apps, there wasn't really any apps on here. Settings. So that's that. So that's the radio. That's really it. I mean, there's just a bunch of climate. You know, you guys don't really give a shit about that. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, slow. Bunch of other stuff here. That's kind of cool. I like this light here. A lot of room. A lot of room back here. Now, I'll tell you what. These seats right here look absolutely freaking comfortable. Look at this. This looks awesome. The seats look so comfortable back there. I haven't sat back there myself yet, but it is worth a try. So remember I told you JT and I are going to South Carolina in about 2 weeks. So I'm hoping my truck will be done in time. So, you know, because the South is all about trucks. But it doesn't look like it's going to be done in time, so we're probably going to be taking this car. And I'm sure those comfy seats back there and right here won't... I mean, hell, this car will save me a lot of money, too, driving down there. Anyways, so just a quick video of the car I am driving for a couple days. It is a loaner vehicle. They didn't even say when my truck's gonna be done. They don't even know yet, so because they just have to get it to the shop. So picked this up today, and we are all set. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you later. Peace.